Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping the business landscape? This isn't science fiction. It's reality. In our modern world, AI is becoming as common as the smartphones in our pockets, and it's revolutionizing the way we do business. AI's rise in business is as exciting as it is rapid. From humble beginnings in the mid-20th century, AI has evolved into a critical tool for businesses worldwide. This revolution isn't about replacing human intelligence, but rather enhancing it. It's about leveraging technology to streamline processes, improve decision-making, and create unparalleled customer experiences. In this video, we'll journey together into the world of AI tools for business. We'll explore the myriad of ways these tools can transform your operations, helping you stay ahead of the curve in this ever-evolving digital landscape. From customer service chatbots to predictive analytics, from machine learning algorithms to virtual assistants, AI tools are here to help you optimize, innovate, and grow. The benefits of these tools are as diverse as they are powerful. They can help you automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives. They can analyze vast amounts of data in a blink, providing insights that can drive your business forward. They can even help you predict future trends, giving you a competitive edge in your market. But perhaps the most compelling benefit of AI tools is their ability to learn and improve over time. This capacity for continuous learning and adaptation is at the heart of AI's transformative potential. It's what allows these tools to grow with your business, becoming more effective and valuable as they learn from data and experience. As we delve deeper into this exciting world, we'll not only explore the variety of AI tools available, but also the ways they can be harnessed to propel your business towards success. Whether you're a small business owner or a leader in a large corporation, AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. So, buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey. As we delve deeper, you'll discover how AI can be your business's secret weapon for success. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated and decision-making becomes more accurate and efficient. Welcome to this new landscape, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping our approach to business. The tools at our disposal are many, each designed to address distinct business challenges, and together, they're ushering in a new era of efficiency. One of the frontline soldiers in this revolution is the humble chatbot. These AI-driven conversational agents are capable of handling customer inquiries round the clock, ensuring no query goes unanswered. They're the tireless customer service reps that never sleep, never tire, and always have a friendly word to share. Then we have the virtual assistants, the personal secretaries of the digital world. They schedule meetings, set reminders, even sift through emails, taking on the brunt of administrative work. With them at your side, you're free to focus on the tasks that truly require your attention. But AI's potential doesn't stop at automation. Predictive analytics tools are here to elevate decision-making. By analyzing past data, they can predict future trends, helping businesses stay a step ahead. Whether it's forecasting sales, managing inventory, or identifying potential market risks, predictive analytics can be the crystal ball you need. And let's not forget machine learning algorithms. These self-improving systems learn from data and improve over time. They're the hidden architects behind personalized customer experiences, product recommendations, and targeted marketing campaigns. They're continuously learning, adapting, and evolving to bring you closer to your customers. In this AI-empowered world, efficiency isn't just about doing things faster or cheaper. It's about doing things smarter, making informed decisions, and delivering personalized experiences that make your customers feel valued. These tools are transforming businesses, not by replacing humans, but by augmenting their capabilities. They're taking on routine tasks, serving up valuable insights, and freeing up time for strategic thinking and creative problem-solving. AI tools are not just about automation, they're about revolutionizing the way you do business. So step into this new era, leverage these tools, and watch your business thrive. Now you might be wondering, how do these AI tools work in the real world? Well, let's dive into some real-life success stories to see how businesses have leveraged AI tools for their growth and success. Our first case study is a large retail company that was struggling with inventory management. They were dealing with overstocking on some items, while others were frequently running out. It was an issue that was costing them both time and money. But then, they turned to AI, specifically predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is an AI tool that uses historical data to forecast future events. It's like having a crystal ball, but one that's powered by algorithms and data. This retail company used predictive analytics to analyze sales data, customer buying patterns, and seasonal trends. The result? They were able to predict demand for different products accurately. This allowed them to optimize their inventory, reducing overstock and outages, and saving significant costs in the process. But AI tools aren't just about numbers and data. They can also greatly enhance customer experiences. Let's consider the case of a customer service company that was facing challenges with response times and customer satisfaction. They decided to implement chatbots, an AI tool that can simulate human conversation and provide instant responses. These chatbots were designed to handle common customer queries, freeing up the human agents to focus on more complex issues. The result was a dramatic improvement in response times and a significant boost in customer satisfaction ratings. Customers appreciated the instant responses, and the company benefited from increased efficiency and reduced stress for their customer service team. Another powerful example comes from a logistics company that was grappling with route optimization for their delivery trucks. They turned to machine learning algorithms, an AI tool that learns from data and improves over time, to solve this issue. These algorithms analyze data like traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery destinations to determine the most efficient routes. Over time, the system learned and adapted, continuously improving its suggestions. The result was faster deliveries, reduced fuel costs, and a notable increase in customer satisfaction. AI tools have also proven to be game changers in the healthcare industry. A hospital implemented a virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks like scheduling appointments and answering patient queries. The virtual assistant, powered by AI, was able to streamline these processes, reducing wait times, decreasing administrative burden, and improving patient experiences. So, from retail to customer service, logistics to healthcare, AI tools are making a significant impact. They're helping businesses optimize processes, improve decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. They're not just about futuristic tech and cool gadgets. They're about real, tangible results. These businesses are living proof that AI tools can drive tangible results and significant growth. So the question isn't whether AI tools can benefit your business, but how you can start leveraging them for your success. Scene script. So, how can you harness the power of AI to take your business to the next level? Well, the journey starts with understanding your business needs. Every business is unique, and so are the challenges it faces. Therefore, it's essential to first identify the areas where AI can add the most value. Do you need to automate repetitive tasks? Or perhaps you're looking to leverage data analytics for more informed decision-making. Once you've pinpointed your needs, you'll have a clearer picture of the AI tools that can help you achieve your goals. Next comes the selection process. With the vast array of AI tools available today, choosing the right one can seem daunting. But remember, the best tool is the one that aligns with your business objectives and fits seamlessly into your operations. So, whether it's a chatbot for customer service or predictive analytics for market trends, choose a tool that complements your business strategy, not one that complicates it. But what about implementation? Integrating AI into your operations can be challenging, especially if you're new to this technology. It may require training your staff, adjusting your workflows, and even changing your business culture. But don't let these challenges deter you. With careful planning and execution, you can overcome them. Consider partnering with AI experts or tech consultants who can guide you through this process. Their expertise can help smooth the transition and ensure a successful implementation. And finally, remember that AI is not a one-time solution. It's an ongoing partnership. To fully reap the benefits, you need to continuously monitor and optimize your AI tools. This means regularly updating your tools to keep them in line with the latest technological advancements, and regularly reviewing their performance to ensure they're delivering the anticipated results. With the right AI tools, your business can become more efficient, more responsive, and more successful. So, are you ready to embrace the future and take your business to new heights? Let's recap the crucial insights from our exploration of AI tools for business. We've seen how the rise of artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the business landscape, offering a new era of efficiency. AI tools, ranging from chatbots and virtual assistants to predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, are helping businesses streamline processes, improve decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. We've heard some inspiring real-life success stories showing that AI isn't just a buzzword, but a practical tool for driving business growth. We've also shared some tips for integrating AI into your business, emphasizing the importance of understanding your needs, setting clear goals, and ensuring your team is ready for this digital transformation. Remember, in the world of business, staying ahead of the curve is essential, and AI tools can help you do just that. Let's embrace this technological revolution, harness the power of AI, and take our businesses to the next level.